Hello and welcome back to Coca English, the place where we learn one word at a time. I'm Layla.
And I'm Sam. We are so happy you are here with us today. Are you ready to learn a new, very useful word?
We think today's word is everywhere. You can see it in the street, in buildings, and even on your computer.
That's right. It's a small word, but it has many jobs. Our word for today is sign.
Sign. S-I-G-N. Sign.
Sign. It's a short word, but very important. Let's start with the first and most common meaning. A sign is a thing with words or pictures that gives you information.
Yes. For example, when you are driving a car, you see a red sign with the letters S-T-O-P. What do you do, Sam?
I stop my car. That sign is very important. It tells me what to do. So a stop sign is a type of sign.
Exactly. Signs help us and tell us things. Think about a shop. How do you know the name of the shop?
You look at the sign. A big sign above the door with the shop's name. Or if you are looking for a toilet, you often see a sign with a picture of a man or a woman.
Or a picture of a little cup of coffee for a cafe. So a sign can have words or it can have pictures. We call pictures on signs symbols. A symbol is a picture that means something.
So a sign gives us information. It can tell us a name, like Coca English. It can tell us a place, like airport. Or it can tell us a rule, like no smoking.
No smoking is a good one. You often see that sign in restaurants or on buses. It's a sign with a rule. So we have signs for names, places, and rules. But that's not all. The word sign can be a verb, an action word.
Oh yes, to sign means to write your name in a special way. Your special way of writing your name is your signature.
For example, when you get a package from the postman, you often have to sign your name on a paper. You write your name to say, "Yes, I received this package."
Or when you buy a house, you have to sign many, many papers. So many papers.
Maybe not a house for us now, Sam. But yes, for important things, we sign our names.
So, sign is a noun for a thing that gives information, and it is also a verb for the action of writing your name.
But wait, there's more. A sign can also be something that shows us something else is happening. For example, Sam, how do you know that a plant needs water?
The plant is not happy. The leaves are brown and dry. The brown leaves are a sign that the plant needs water.
Perfect. The brown leaves are a sign. They are not a sign with words, but they show us a problem. Another example, dark clouds in the sky are often a sign of rain.
So, if you see dark clouds, that is a sign that you should take an umbrella when you go out.
Yes. Or if your friend is smiling and laughing, what is that a sign of?
That is a sign that she is happy. Her smile is a sign of her happiness.
Excellent. So a sign can be a thing with words, or it can be something we see that tells us about another situation.
This word is very busy. Let's think about some other places we see or use the word sign.
What about on your computer or phone? When you want to use an app, what is the first thing you do?
Oh, I have to sign in. I write my name and my password. That is signing in. And when I finish, I sign out.
Yes. Sign in and sign out are very common phrases. You sign into your email, you sign into your social media. You are telling the app, "It's me. I am here."
And don't forget about street signs. Those are all the signs we see on the street. Stop, go, the name of the street, directions to the city center.
Street signs help us not get lost. They are our friends. Another good phrase is warning sign. A warning sign tells us about danger.
For example, a sign with a picture of fire is a warning sign. It means, be careful, fire danger.
Or a sign with a picture of a falling rock. That is a warning sign for drivers.
So, let's remember, a sign is 1. A thing with words or pictures that gives information. 2. An action, to write your name. 3. Something that shows us something else.
That's a lot for one small word. Let's practice with a little story. Sam, imagine we are going to a new city.
Okay. We are driving our car. We see a sign that says, Welcome to Sunville. That's the first type of sign.
Then we go to a hotel. The man at the hotel says, Please sign your name here. That's the second type.
After that, we want to go to the beach. We look at the sky. We see big, dark clouds. That is a sign that it might rain. So maybe we should go to a museum instead.
Perfect. You see, one word, 3 different uses in one short story.
It's a very useful word. You will see and hear sign everywhere now.
We hope you enjoyed learning about the word sign with us today.
Yes, now we have a very important question for you.
Can you make a sentence using the word sign? It can be any type of sign. Please write your sentence in the comments below this video.
We love to read your comments. It helps us know what you like and what you want to learn next. So please, write a sentence for us.
For example, you can write, I saw a funny sign today, or I have to sign my name on my homework, or my cat sleeping all day is a sign that she is very tired.
My cat sleeping is a sign she is a cat. They always sleep.
True. So be creative. We can't wait to read your sentences.
Thank you for listening to Coca English. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It helps other people like you find us. And tell your friends.
Until next time, keep learning and have a great day.
Bye.
Goodbye.